What's up everyone? I'm glad you made it to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this Lego shower. The first step is to get a 6x6 base plate and build a 2-brick high wall. After you've completed that, you get 2 studs on the side pieces and put them in the middle. Next step is to get 2 1x2 bricks and place them right here. Then add another layer of bricks to your wall. Next step is to get a 1x6 tile and place a 1x2 brick on this side and on the other side. Then get 2 1x1 bricks on the side pieces and put them in the middle. Then add it to your wall. The next step is to get a 1x2 jumper plate and place it right here. Then get 2 studs, one blue color, one red color. The red means hot water and the blue means cold water. Now let's make the shower head. The shower head you can make 2 different kinds. You can use a disc piece or you can use a steering wheel. Put your shower head right here. Now let's start the flooring. Get a 1x1 piece and put it right here. Then get a 1x2 piece and put it right here. And the 1x1 right here. Then get 2 grill pieces and place it here. Then all the rest should be tiled off. Next, get 4 of these pieces and place them here. One right here, one right here, and one right here. If you do not know where I got this piece from, you get a antenna and remove the black thing, like this. The final step is to get 2 pieces of glass and place them here. Thanks for watching.